Hey YouTube, it's Tom. Time for another video, and this is going to be a biggie. I'm going to take my 2018 Silverado and I'm going to install a lift kit and jack this baby up 7 inches, put some new sneakers on it. So stay with me, it's going to be fun.
I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen it. Shawty love the way I whip it in the two.
Hey guys, before we get started here, I'd like to give a shout out to Nick at Fix It Nick DIY channel. Nick did this lift in his driveway. Did a different lift system, but he did it in his driveway. It took 3 or 4 days. It may take me the same amount of time, but thank you, Nick, and you guys be sure to check out his channel as well. Got some good stuff on there. All right, here we go. Okay, so here's my kit, my Mcqaughys kit. Mcqaughys, made in California, and I don't bother with the unboxing, but I will say that boxing was excellent. This is a very heavy cardboard, and a lot of the components were boxed inside boxes or wrapped. So that was a good deal. So here's what we got. Why did I pick this kit in particular? I don't have to cut my differential with this kit. Yeah, you don't cut the differential, but you have external supports. These go in and support your lower cross member to your truck frame on both sides, and these brackets over here actually go and support your lower control arm. These go between and give you more stiffness. New knuckles. Pennsylvania does not allow top blocks, although everybody has them. So I've got new struts here, and we're replacing the springs on them, longer ones. Get new rear shocks. You got the knuckles. You got the weld plates for when you cut your subframe. All right, so one thing you're not seeing on here are the U-bolts for the leaf springs. The only objection I had to Mcqaughys is they were just bare metal. I don't know why. I don't know why they didn't coat them or paint them or something. Maybe it was a cost reduction issue, but I got them down my basement. They're primed. They're going to be painted, and I'll be bringing those up shortly. So we're all jacked up here, and we're ready to go. I'm just going to record one side. You don't need to see both sides, and I'll try to get underneath as best I can. So let's get greasy. Alright guys, just an update here. I kept knocking the camera over, so I stopped it, but I needed to cut this guy here, and I was doing it with a Sawzall, and it was really awkward, so I went to a wheel, and the wheel works better, but my cutter crapped out, so I got to buy a new wheel cutter tomorrow. I got to do the other side yet, drop the differential, and get at these plugs a little better. And that's it for today. Tomorrow's supposed to be cold and rainy, so I'll be errand day tomorrow and maybe hit it on Friday again. Here's an update for you. It's now Friday, and my Nikita grinder crapped out on me, so I had to go to Home Depot and buy a new DeWalt. 1. 2, I rented a Strut compressor from AutoZone. Had like one post with a screw going through it with these 2 aluminum paddles trying to squeeze this, really. it didn't work out. So I took that back and I had it done professionally. It cost me 30 bucks. Guys hooked me up. So now I got the new Mcqaughys extended struts all ready to go. So now I'm going to crawl back under and finish up cutting that subframe and hopefully welding on the tabs today.